Control number 1566-8, please tell us something about yourself.
A pleasant morning to my future employer in Hong Kong. My name is Hazel J.P. Baldugo, 24 years old. I was born on July 13, 1988. I am single. My father's name is Ronald B. Baldugo. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Maribel P. Baldugo. She is a housewife, and I'm the eldest. I have two brothers named Ronald Baldugo. He is 22 years old, and Jarvis Jill P. Baldugo. He is 9 years old. Regarding to my working experience, I worked as here in the Philippines as a housemaid and a babysitter of Mr. and Mrs. Francis Bulusan. They are 5 in the family, 2 adults and 3 children, 22, 4 years old and 3 months old. My responsibilities and main duty, I perform the household chores. I clean the house, wash the dishes, washing the clothes, and of course taking care of most especially Natasha Pulin, which is 3 months old. I feed them, I take a bath, and changing diapers.
So how about your educational attainment?
I took up Bachelor of Science in Criminology in the University of the Cordilleras. Unfortunately, I didn't yet graduated, at least 3rd year in college.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for supporting my family.
Okay, so do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
I know how to cook Chinese dishes a little bit, but I am willing to learn.
So what are other skills you can do inside the house?
My other skills are I am good in gardening. I wash clothes, wash dishes, and a little bit of computer knowledge, and I can also drive.
So what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Well, I can say that I'm a hardworking, I'm a workaholic, I'm trustworthy, I'm honest, and I have the spirit of family and fun, and which is I'm jolly.
So what are your message to your future employer?
To my dearest future employer in Hong Kong, I am Hazel K. P. Baldugo. I promise that I will be the best domestic helper that you've ever encountered, and I am forever grateful to you and to your family. I will do my responsibilities and duties, and I can wait to see you in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.